What's up, everybody? It's a beautiful day in the middle of December, about to be January. Almost forgot what day it was. And I'm working on my F250. It's 2004. It's got a 6-inch lift on it, and I'm just doing a spark plug change real quick. I'll show you. It's a 5.4 V8 before the 3 valve, so the spark plugs are a little bit easier to replace. You can see you already got like 1, 2, 3. You can see the coils over here too. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna pull them and put the spark plugs in, and then see how the truck runs. It doesn't run bad, but it's got 210,000 miles, so I'm gonna throw them in there. Maybe it'll help the truck run a little bit. I'll get a video after. I'm not gonna bother starting it up now. So keep on watching and see how it goes. So I've got all my spark plugs out, but 2, the ones in the back on the left side. On the passenger side of the motor, they're a little bit trickier because all this crap in the motor bay. But I've got the driver's side 4 out, and I've already put the new ones in. Give you a little glimpse of one of them or 2 of them. Should have showed you a new one. I'll grab a new one later in the video, so keep posted. 2 or 3 of them are soaked. I don't know why, and not in the plug itself, but in the cylinder. Right now I'm putting the new ones in under some, with my torque wrench. It should be like 15 pounds or something like that. Make sure you check the gap before you put all the plugs in too. So right there, 16 pounds. Move to the next one. Now I'm just showing you that. I'm gonna do it off camera because it's not so easy. I'll do this next one. 16 pounds, that's all it calls for. On to the next one, so I'm gonna go around and do all those real quick. And then, what's up, everybody? I got done working on my big F250 today. I got my diesel 6.0 F250 here, that's my personal truck. But now I'm working on this Volkswagen Passat. It's a bit of a project I've got going on this one. It's my uncle's car. I think it's like a 2015, 14, 15, or 16 this model. It's got the 1.8 turbo. I mean, great motor. Really hard to destroy. So you can imagine. The car's pretty much a mess as it is, so those wheels are supposed to be silver. You see the brake pad just worn away. Didn't take too good care of the brakes either, so walk around to the car. I gotta get it running for him, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put that motor sitting right there into there, and I'll keep you guys updated with videos, so just keep on watching my stream, and if you're still watching, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and then you'll see how it gets all finished up and running. Alright, everybody, I'm getting down to the last step on my video. This is the 8th spark plug, and it is the hardest one to come out. It's the one way in the back, and it's probably the last 2 or the last. I did the first 6 that are easy. It ran the truck, see how it ran much better. So either these weren't gapped right or they're just toast. So I got these Motorcraft, and I showed you a few of them, and I'd said before I was done I'd show you what a new one looks like. So here's the box. Just gonna pop it out for you. So you can see, trying to get them focused. I'm gonna turn them so you can see both. There we go. Alright, so the gap is not much different. You can see this one's kind of burnt on the left. Again, the cylinder was filled with oil, so that's not a good sign. The valve. So I'm gonna gap this one on the right, make sure it's right, put it in, and plug it all back up. And then hopefully the truck will be running much nicer. I'm sorry I couldn't get too much of me working on the truck. It's hard to hold the camera and work. So I'm gonna finish this up and then start the truck up for you guys and show you how it runs.